Hello students, welcome to my class. In my first video, we were discussing that how Einstein was having arguments with a teacher about the learning. Okay, he was having arguments with his history teacher. So, when he said that he is not interested in learning that what are the dates of battle and which army killed the more people, but he was interested in learning that why these soldiers were trying to kill each other. And at that point, his teacher became angry. Okay, and he became angry and said, well, I don't want any lecture from you. You will stay for an extra period today. Means he was given a punishment to stay back for a period, okay, for an extra period. And then he added this also, although I don't think that it will do some good for you or for the school, but you are a disgrace for the school. Okay, because you are the disgrace of the school, and I don't know why you continue to come. Okay, the teacher insulted him again and again and said, I don't think, why do you continue the school, why do you continue to come to school? And at this, Albert answered that, sir, it is not my wish. Means he did not want to come to school. Then you are an ungrateful boy and ought to be ashamed of yourself. His teacher said, you are an ungrateful boy and you ought to ashamed on you. Means तुमको अपने ऊपर शर्म आनी चाहिए. I suggest you ask your father to take you away. And the teacher suggested him to tell his father all these things and call him to take him back from that place, from that school. Now Albert was feeling miserable why he was coming back from the school at the afternoon. Okay, the day had been a bad for him, but not only that day, most of the days he was passing in that school were bad for him. Okay, anyway, he was not worried about that he was insulted, the day was bad, but he was sad that he had to come back to this hateful place again the next morning. Okay, he did not want to go to that school, but it was his, means he was forcefully going there. Now he only wished his father would take him away. Okay, he was wishing that his father should come here and take him back from here. But there was no point of asking. Okay, there was no question of asking this thing from his father, because he knew that he will not be ready to take him back from here until he completes his diploma. Okay, until he completes his diploma, until he takes his diploma. While he was going to his house, it was not also cheerful for him. Okay, going back to his lodging means the place he was staying in. That place was also not good. It also did not cheer him. His father had so little money to spare that Albert had been found a room in one of the poorest quarters in Munich. Okay, his father was not so rich, so he was having little money for him, and that's why he had to take room in the place of Munich, okay, in the poorest quarters, in the place where the poor people were living in Munich. Munich is a city of Germany. Although he did not mind that where he was staying, what kind of food was there, the comfort was not there, there was dirty The place was full of dirt and rubbish, but he was managing for all these things. But he hated the atmosphere of slum violence. Okay, there was a lot of slum violence there. The atmosphere was suffocated due to violence. His landlady used to beat her children regularly, and every Saturday her husband also came drunk and beat her. So, this kind of violence, this kind of atmosphere, he did not like at all. And he called his friend Yuri in the evening. When he came, he consoled him, saying that at least you are having your own room, which is more than I can say. Okay, he said, I cannot say more than to you that you are having your own room. And then Einstein answered that at least you live among civilized human beings, even if they are all poor students, said Albert. एल्बर्ट ने कहा चाहे वो स्टूडेंट्स पुअर हैं लेकिन तुम कम से कम सिविलाइज सभ्य लोगों के बीच में तो रहते हो. And Yuri answered, they all are not civilized. Did you not know that one of them was killed last week in a duel? If he had not known that one of those students had been killed in a fight last week. Okay, the student had some fight and one of them was killed in that fight. Yuri told, means he wanted to say that where he is staying is not a place which is civilized. Okay, in next video I'll complete the other part. Thank you.